3 smooth stone. I have that. Oh, there we go. Can make it. Okay, yay. Got it. Hooray! Now I can. Yeah. Okay. This and then boom, fuel. Yay! We got it. Bro, where are you? Hello? Where are you? Oh, wait, why are you retreating your items? Oh. Okay. Anyways, I am going... yeah, sure. No, I'm just gonna, like, go to my house to watch my thing, you know? But wait, it just needs to smelt. I hate smelting, it takes forever. I mean, I like blast furnace because it's fast. Sube, the next 10 pieces can be yours if you want. Yeah, I didn't. Wait, did I? I don't know. Anyways. Anyway, you can come up here to get 10 pieces of iron if you want. Bro. Zoomies. Cool pants. Oh man. Okay, you can go. You can have 10 pieces. It's in the furnace. And collect it. Nice.
Outside.
I don't mind at all. Yeah, sure, you can use it. Bro, I have a lot of iron. Too much, actually. How do you make a book and quill? How do you make a book and quill, Sube? Oh. Yeah? Huh? Well, oh, thank you. Read it. You suck. Come here, bro. Come here. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. Fell from Mars. Come here. I'm gonna kill you. Owie. That hurt. Ow. Yeah, but I have a shield. Cause I don't even know. Yay. Okay. I need to pay a tribute, so should I go all out? I'm gonna give you an egg. I like the chicken because he just gives you an egg and then like. By the way, all of your crops have grown except for one. Don't worry, bro. I have enough. I have like enough wheat. Yeah, I have like so many stacks, like 6 stacks, 8 stacks, 7 stacks, something like that. It's so much. Damn, that's a lot of iron. I already have more than a stack. Oh, keep it coming. I'm gonna write in your quill. Okay. Okay. Is our new or wait no. You suck. Oh no, one thing. Face. Okay, I made a book for it, Ruben. You wanna see? Okay. Oh god, I stepped on my crop. What is, oh my god. Oh, sleepy time, okay. Let's go, sleepy time. By the way, I finished off my house. So, yeah. Anyways, what are we gonna do now? I think I'm just gonna finish off my house. So, I need ladders. Ladders are made of sticks, a lot of them. That should be enough. It's actually too much, maybe. Yeah, maybe too much. Actually, no, quite good, actually. It's a good amount. And then we have an attic. I think there's a hole. Anyways, I need, oh wait, is this already done? Wait, I need this quickly. Okay, this is gonna be used there. Let's just split this. Put this there, split this. Actually, no. I might need two torches. No, I think, and now we just take this and put this in, and now, oh god, nothing just came out of nowhere. Now, boom, we have some torches, hooray! I'm gonna put them up here. I'm not a yapper. So I'm a yapper, I bet. Anyways, let's just sit here and wait for it to all smelt. I don't know. Can I? Can I tell you? Oh my god, fine. Okay. Why aren't you even talking? Anyways, the code is golden cookie apple fish. Let's just wait until the end of this cooking. Damn, smelting doesn't take that long. I mean, kind of, because I'm smelting so much, but... Okay. What? Oh yeah, I need to see. Wait, how do you make this? Oh. Yay, I got an oak block. I like oak blocks. Those are cool. Anyways. Damn, only 9 more pieces. All left. Last of the iron. Oh, finally. Well, I guess that's the end of our video. See you later.